Hello everyone. I'm going to start a small series about the Xiaomi M365 e-scooter, and I'm going to do some short episodes with different upgrades, repairs or adjustments to it. As time passes, there are a few things that need to be sorted out. Until now I didn't have any kind of real problems with it, but it needs some brake adjustment, some handlebar adjustment, and so on. But today I'm going to discuss with you about something else, and that is tires, solid tires. Well, until now, the original tire has served me for uh, 400 kilometers, and had 3 flats until now. And I have used bicycle repair kits uh, like this, and you can see this has vulcanized the rubber pretty well. Well, the tire didn't hold very long. I'm rather heavy. I used it on 40 degrees outside on hot asphalt. I have overinflated the tires. I have punctured the tire. I have overinflated it, and the patch has been not glued properly, and has ceased to make bond here. So there are different problems with this type of camera. Of course there is a slime solution and so on, but I thought to give it a go with solid tires. These are kind of immortal tires. You cannot make a flat. The only issue you can have with this, they are a lot more solid than the pneumatic tires, so they may shake a lot and produce a lot of vibrations. I haven't tested it yet, but I did install this tire on my front wheel, because until now only I had 3 flats, and that was only on the front tire and never on the rear tire. So I don't know why, because I don't ride it in the front. I keep my legs back there for better stability, and it happens 3 times on this wheel. So to exchange this tire, you can follow my guide here of how to take the front wheel off and the original tire off. And to put this on, it's similar with putting this tire on, but a lot more harder, because this thing will not flex. It's very hard, so you need to use a trick and a lot of force. I have boiled this in a pot of water on a gas stove, and when the water starts to bubble, when it's close to 100 degrees, maybe 90 degrees, I kept this in the water. It floats, and I have turned it on one side and the other, and one side and the other, and used a long piece of kitchenware to keep it under the water, and to heat it up. And when this was hot, I have added some dish detergent on it to make it slippery, and then I have used a lot of force to pull it over the motor here, and use some solid screwdrivers to drive it over the edge here, and finally I did it, but it wasn't easy at all. So now only it remains to see how comfortable this is. And I also want to do a short test. I wonder if it's a lot more heavier than the original tire. So the original tire with the tube inside weighs 364 grams, and this one has, if it stayed here somehow, so let's see what can I use to fix it. So I'm going to use there. Alright, and now, alright, so this is that. No, it's not doing the job. It's not holding the tire. Don't have something else here. let's see, approximately it has 530-40 grams, so it is a bit more heavier. But if it deforms less than the original tire, that means that it will have lower rolling resistance, which should improve autonomy of the e-scooter. It should prolong its battery life and make it more efficient. This would also probably affect traction, and you are probably going to lose some of it. Those are going to be investigated, and I'm going to tell you my conclusions of how this tire has served me. So until next time, bye bye.